Hello and welcome to my channel The Learning Bird. In today's video we are going to see all about copy and moving files and folders. So let's see. We will see how we can move files, folders, copy files and folders using the 4 activities which are available in UiPath Studio. Then we will see how we can overwrite the files and folders using these activities. And finally, stay tuned till the end so that you don't miss out on one of the important issue which you might face, that is missing of these activities in your UiPath Studio. So let's start. So copying and moving files and folders activities. In copy, we will be copying the files and folders from one location to another, and for the move ones, basically we will be moving the folders and files from one location to another. This is nothing but cut paste, and this is copy paste. So copy folder activity has both overwrite and subfolder options. So which means that if the folder is already present or file is already present in the destination location, then it will rewrite or overwrite the same files. And while copying also, if the folder has subfolders, then the subfolders and the files within the subfolders will be copied into the destination location. However, in move folder activity, only overwrite option is present. There is no option for including subfolders. Next is copy file activity has only the overwrite functionality, which is logical, and the move file activity has also the overwrite functionality. Now let's see practically how this can be done in UiPath Studio. So this is the UiPath Studio. We will search for copy folder activity. So we can drag it over here. Here we see the two options, override and include folders. If we check both of them, then these functionalities are carried out. If not, these will be skipped. So from, we have to put the from folder location. I have this folder structure of main folder which I want to copy. It has some files and subfolder. The subfolder itself has a file and a subfolder, and subfolder has a file in it. So now I want to copy everything from this main folder into the copy folder location. So what I need to do in UiPath Studio, the from location I have to select in desktop main folder, and the destination will be the copy folder which I have in the desktop. Now I want to include all the subfolders. I want them to be copied, and if there is any existing file in the copy folder which matches the one in the main folder location path, then it has to overwrite. So now let me execute and see. So here we can see in the copy folder, the main folder has been copied and all the files and subfolders have been copied successfully. So here we saw how we can use the copy folder. Similarly, we have the copy file activity. Here we can see the only overwrite option is there. Here also we will pass the from and to location. Then we have the move activity. We have move folder activity, and finally the move file activity. So the move folder activity also we can specify the from and to location, and if the file is already present in the destination, then it will override if we have this check mark. And similarly we have the same for move file activity. Now finally, coming to the most important part, many of you might have faced the issue like these activities move file, move folder, copy file and copy folder might not be available in your UiPath Studio. If that is the case, then go to the Manage Packages. This occurs mostly because if the package is not updated. So you have this UiPath UI automation activities. So you please check and then upgrade these activities version to the latest one. Then you might find all the packages including it. I am currently using 21.4.4 and this particular version has all these activities. But there are few older versions where if you are still present in using that, then you might not be able to find these 4 activities. So hope this video helped you. Stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.